Hello dear children, we are going to study maths, the lesson number 14, pictograph. Okay, the name itself tells you picto, that means picture, and the graph. Okay, the scales or either the readings, information, whichever is taken, we make it into the form of graph, that is into the form of picture, and then this picture helps us to tell or to give the information in short. So let's study from your textbook. There was one example. See, there is an example here. The table given below shows bowling figures Chandrakant, Ramakant, and Ahmed. For Chandrakant, it is shown 4 balls. For Ramakant, it is shown 2 balls, and for Ahmed, it is shown 3 balls. Here, one ball is for 1 over. Okay, 1 over is, that is how many overs are there in 1 over, that will be 6 balls. 6 balls are bowled by a bowler. Okay, so 6 forza, so that will be how many? It will be 1 over is 6 ball. So how many balls are bowled by the bowler? So one ball stands for 6 balls. Got that? So here 4 balls are shown. So 6 fours are 24. So 24 balls are being bowled by Chandrakant. While bowling, runs were taken is 18 by the batsman, and the wicket was taken as 4. So you require, in this way you require to answer the questions, as well as here you will find scale, one picture, that is 1 over, it represents 6 balls. So this pictograph tells us about, it gives us a lot of information, and this can be obtained from the pictures. And these pictures which gives information, they can be the pictures or icons, and these are called as pictographs. So here also one example you could see. Apple sold in January. One apple stands for 10 apples. Okay, you cannot show here, draw 10 apples, it will take a longer time, and the place also. So one apple represents 10 apples, and the half apple represents 5 apples. So in January, how many apples were sold? 10. In February, how many? 40. In March, 25, and in April, that is 20. So this way picture tells us or gives us the information or the data. Here you could see James, Sarah, Alex, Amy, and Terry. They are reading books. So who read more than 2 books? Okay, one book. One book stands for one book. So James read 3 books, Sarah read 2 books, Alex 1, Amy 5, and Terry 2. So who read 2 books? More than 2 books, that is James and Amy. So this is a pictograph for telling about the reading. Next is the pictograph which is telling you about, you can put any icon or put any symbol here. Favorite fruit. Okay, apple. For apple, how many votes? For pear, for grapes, and for banana. Voting for the fruits. For apple, how many votes are there? One smiley is for 1 vote, that means 1 student. Here one students coming to school, some comes by school bus, some comes by car, by train, by the cycle, as well as walking. So how many students are coming by school bus? You could see one student stands for 10 counting. So how many for bus? 1 2 3 4 5. We cannot say 5 students coming from bus. How many coming from bus? One student. One picture stands for 10 students. So how many are coming by bus? Yes, that is 50 students. How many comes by car? These are 40 students. How many comes by train? these are 30. By bicycle 20, and by walking 10 students comes by walking to school. Okay, here are the hobbies taken by the teachers for from the students: dancing, singing, playing, traveling, adventuring. So one picture of one student stands for 25 children. So you require to answer this. How many students have the hobby of dancing? So you have to multiply that number by 25. How many for singing? How many for playing, traveling and adventuring? You will draw this picture and answer. How many students like dancing? How many students like singing? How many children like playing, traveling, adventuring? You have to answer this figure. Okay, see, from your textbook there is a problem set as well as occupation of the parents. One example is given: farming, private job, government job and other. So name number of the students whose parents are farmer, whose parents are having private job. Here one picture stands for 10 students. So how many parents are doing farming? How many parents are doing job and government job and other? So same thing here, problem set 52. You have to, some sacks are given here of various types of grains, okay, which are stored in a warehouse. You have to draw some picture for this. This is a question. Grains are there: rice, wheat, bajra, jowar. Now you have to draw picture here of sack 40, 56, 8 and 32. Now what idea we have to get here is all are multiples of 8. You could see all these numbers are multiples of 8. So you can take the reading as 8. Okay, one sack represents 8. So for rice, how many sacks are you going to draw? How many sack are you going to draw? 8 5s are 5 sacks should be there. For wheat, how many sack you will draw? Okay, this number is 56. 56 how many times is 8? 8 6 are 54. 8 7s are 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. So you will draw 7 sack. Bajra you will draw only 1 sack, and jowar you will draw 4 sack. This way you solve this problem set 52. Okay, the question number, here you see question number 2. Same thing. Types of vehicles: bicycle, automatic, two-wheelers. So here you can draw only a wheel, okay, instead of drawing, or either you can draw the smiley, no problem. Okay, so one, see the numbers, what to get an idea, one picture should stand for how many. See, all are the multiples of 12 or all are the multiples of 6. So you can select one picture stands for 12 things, 12 people. Next is the type of book. Okay, science, sports. So books you can draw here. One book will stand for 7 books. So history, see, all are multiples of 7. So 7 will be your one picture represents 7 thing, and you will write the scale. You know how it is written here. Scale, you have to see how to write the scale. See, this is called a scale. Here down part, one student represent 25 children. This is called as scale. See, one figure is equal to 10. This is called as scale. One vote is equal to one smiley, called as scale. One book is equal to one book. 1 apple is equal to 10 apples. Okay, this is called a scale. So I want you to answer all these figures as well as complete your problem set. Okay, problem set number 52. Complete it in your CW book. I will send the correct things. Okay, take care.